get a hexagonal shape, I've opened the compass up to 2.5 inches. Then we draw a circle. After drawing the circle, you can stand at any point along the circle and then you will inscribe an arc. We'll join each arc to get our hexagon. We've cut several interfaces with the same shape and fused it with a fabric, wrapping the fabric around it. And so you can cut as many as you desire depending on the style that you are doing. We then place them on a contrast fabric, arranging them in order of your preference. After we are done with this, we'll go ahead and stitch them. And so this is it, duly stitched, very neat. The next step is to cut about 3/4 inches away from the edges of our hexagonal shapes. Then we create notches at these very portions as you see them. We then flip the excess inward, leaving about 1/8 of an inch on the edges. Then we give it a press. Repeat that all along the areas where we added our 3/4 of an inch. Next is to place it on our shirt and then we stitch. After stitching, we'll make sure that we cut the excesses so that we get the same shape as our armhole, our shoulder, and then our neckline. It's unfortunate that I lost the video as to how we did the stitching, but then it was just placing it on the shirt itself, stitching the 1/8 that we had just placed on the edges, and so that's basically what we just did.